Hello. Welcome to the pet room, which is now the microwave repair shop. I went to Sayal Electronics and I said to the guy, I need one of these. And he said, is it for a microwave? I said, yes. He said, just you wait right here. So he went and found me, and now I actually have 5 of them. I do. So here will be the moment of truth. Now, obviously, as I have this open at the moment, it is unplugged. Anyway, the fuse itself, just like a lot of simple fuses. Mama, it's funny. This thing is not heavy, but it's awkward. So, I take the fuse. Great, it slipped. I dropped it, but it didn't go far. I will take the fuse out after dropping it. I think I really don't want to touch other things here. Why couldn't it just go in? Okay, now I will lay it into its holder using this special fuse inserting device, and I will look at it and I will push it so it goes in. And now I do want to see if it's going to come back to life before I do anything else, because once again, if it's doomed to the curb, let it be doomed. So I am going to move it slightly over, and I'm going to turn. I have a power bar here. I'm going to turn it off and see if I can get the cord to go to it. And indeed, I can. Because you see, there's no power switch on this thing. You turn it on, or you plug it in, it comes on. Alright, so the fuse is in. I will flip the switch. And it says, welcome to Panasonic. Refer to operating instructions before use. Welcome to Panasonic. Well, that is looking promising. All right. I will pull the plug out. Drop it there. Turn the power bar back on. I will close up the fuses, but I will at some point, quickly, soon, put them into a little baggie and mark them. So I guess the only thing to do now, I mean, I could take this over there to the kitchen and try it without putting the top on, but I don't think so. Oh, and while I was there, I did get some solder. 2 things of solder, which should be good. It is 3760 or 6337, and it's supposedly, I think there's a little flux in there, but anyway, that should do me for a while. I thought about getting a great big solder, a great big thing. I thought, I'm good with that. All right, so now, once again, not heavy. but awkward. So it is my belief that if I pick up the cover gently and carefully and swing it over the top. Okay. That I should be able to line it up and have it go in at the front where I think it is supposed to go in at the front. Oh, maybe the sides. Maybe. Do the sides go in? Maybe they don't. Maybe they just go over. It did seem to come out of the top. Anyway, I guess one way to find out or figure out is, are the screw holes lined up? And indeed, they are. So over here, I have the screws. The two on the side were Phillips. So let's see, is that going in? And I believe, well, it was. It's got a big spring to this case thing. Okay, it's not going in. Oh, okay. Gotta get it better lined up. Alright, that's one. And two. Right now, and it's funny because from what I can tell, this thing was actually missing a screw. Oh, there we go, on the back. So here we have our TORX Security bits. I'll probably have to switch. This is a ratchet kind of a screwdriver. I'll switch that over. Good. That's not good. Ugh. Ugh. But yeah, there's spots for 5. There was only 4 when I got this. Not that I ever noticed. Not that I really ever cared. Oh no, 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 no. We are not going to drop another screw. Now, I think I see the one that fell. I do. Alright. So I think I'll do it as it was before, with the one missing a screw in the same spots as it was missing. Shaboom. So I'm not saying that this is a good idea to open up a microwave if you're not sure. And had this been some really strange, exotic, unsolder this, take this board out and diddle around, I probably would not have bothered. But with this fuse being a very simple, I think they call them cartridge fuses, I think. There they are. Now I have 4 spares, which I'm not sure I needed extras, but they only sell them in packs of 5. Oh, there's a chipmunk outside. Oh. Anyway, um, while I'm here, maybe I'll just make sure that everything else is secure, and it is. I don't know what that is. I should get some goo gone. Anyway, next thing would be, I will move it back to the kitchen, and I will try and heat something up. And then I'll know, because if the magnetron or whatever is cooked, then nothing is going to cook. We'll find out. Anyway, thanks for coming. I'm glad so far. So far, this is looking promising. Bye for now.